This video is about Peregrino Sinistine, the future chronograph, basic problem solving. Okay. Peregrino Sinistine, the future chronograph. So here's the clock illustration. Peregrino Sinistine clock illustration. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and 10 o'clock. Peregrino Sinistine clock had only 10 o'clock. And the 1 is 10 periseconds or 10 periminutes. The 2 is 20 periseconds or 20 periminutes. The 3 is 30 periseconds or 30 periminutes. The 4 is 40 periseconds or 40 periminutes. The 5 is 50 periseconds or 50 periminutes. And the 6 is 60. The 7 is 70. The 8 is 80. The 9 is 90. And the 10 is 100. And the time is 6:44:17 Peregrino Sinistine, or 6 peri-hours, 44 peri-minutes, and 17 peri-seconds. In the Peregrino Sinistine, the future chronograph, you can easily calculate the time manually or by using calculator. Because Peregrino Sinistine, the future chronograph, is decimalized time and metric time. Okay. And the Peregrino Sinistine, 100 periseconds is 1 periminute. And 100 periminutes is 1 peri-hour. So, 1 periminute contains of 100 periseconds, and 1 peri-hour contains 100 periminutes. The 1/4 of the Peregrino Sinistine is 20 peri-hours. The 1/4 of the Peregrino Sinistine is 20 peri-hours. So, time equivalent Peregrino Sinistine to standard time. 1 peri-hour Peregrino Sinistine is equal to 1.2 hour standard time. 1 periminute Peregrino Sinistine is equal to 0.72 minute standard time. And 1 perisecond Peregrino Sinistine is equal to 0.432 second standard time. Then the time zone, Peregrino Sinistine time zone. Peregrino Sinistine, the future chronograph time zones. 0 degrees longitude is 10 o'clock noon. Alas 10 ng tanghaling tapat. Alas 10 sa udtong totok. And 180 degrees longitude wide is 10 o'clock midnight. Alas 10 sa hating gabi. Alas 10 sa tungang gabi. And 90 degrees longitude wide is 5 o'clock p.m. And the other side of the time zone, 90 degrees longitude wide is 5 o'clock a.m. Okay. And now, the Peregrino Sinistine, the future chronograph problem solving. Okay. Peregrino Sinistine, the future chronograph problem solving. Okay. The company rented an excavator for their project. And the excavator rental cost is 3,250 pesos per hour. No? Excavator rental cost is 3,250 pesos per peri-hour. Okay. The excavator start to work at 6:23:94 a.m. Peregrino Sinistine, or 6 peri-hours 23 periminutes, and 94 periseconds. Then, the excavator finished working at 497 45 Peregrino Sinis time, or 4 peri hours, 97 peri minutes, and 45 peri seconds. Okay. Okay. The question is, how many peri hours the excavator working? So, the calculation, 1497.45 finish working, minus 623.94 started working. So the difference is 873.51 o'clock Peregrino Sinis time, or 8 peri hours, 73 peri minutes, and 51 peri seconds. No? O'clock form. Placing into the decimal form is 8.7351 peri hours. So, the excavator working within 8.7351 peri hours. Okay. Okay. The another question is, how much the excavator earned within 8.7351 peri hours? So, the calculation formula. Amount rental cost is equal to times rental cost over 1 per hour. No, our formula again, amount is equals to time times rental cost over 1 per hour. So, the calculation. Again, the formula, amount equals time times rental cost over 1 per hour. So down. 8.7351 per hour times 3,250 pesos over 1 per hour. So per hour over per hour. So cancel the per hour and the pesos remain. So continue amount 28,389.075 pesos over 1. So equals 28,389.075 pesos. So the excavator earned 28,389.075 pesos within 8.7351 per hours. So, that's all, and thank you so much.